Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to add learning certification to your LinkedIn profile. It's very easy to add those certification on your LinkedIn profile. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So here is my LinkedIn profile as a demo point of view, and I want to add one of the LinkedIn certificate here. Where you collect the LinkedIn certificate, here the learning session is available. Inside the learning session, you can learn the particular session like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 50 minutes or hourly, and accordingly you can add LinkedIn certificate on your profile. So here my learning, if I go here like my collection, so just look at this here. Just couple of minutes ago I complete one of my LinkedIn certificate related on Azure understanding of big picture, and here the certificate is completed. Look at this, congratulations Dr. Sangram Singh. And you can showcase your complete course on your LinkedIn profile. You can download first of all here after clicking the download via PDF. So look at this, here is my certificate. Here entire your name is coming here, course completed on today's date 4th of May, and specific time and entire course duration is 3 hours 25 minutes. The head of content creator, signature, LinkedIn learning, all informations are come. Accordingly you can download, but I want to add this LinkedIn certificate on my profile. If I click here add, and look at this here, I can add. After that, if I click here add, so the specific certificate are displaying here. If I refresh here, so look at this, license and certification, automatically one section is coming here and the certificate detail information are displayed here. If I click here show credential, so anyone can very easily click there and show your credential. So total length of this course and your certificate, so anyone can very easily access those information, and they are considering okay, you have such kind of quality, you already completed this course, so your hiring possibility is quite good after if you are adding such kind of certificate on your LinkedIn profile. So it's very simple tips and tricks to add LinkedIn certificate on your LinkedIn profile. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.